Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this super cute and fun costume look. I'm going to begin by quickly showing you how to create the melted ice cream cone prop. It was super easy to do. I literally took an actual waffle cone. I used hot glue and I did a few layers of this, letting it drip on its own to really get that organic melted look. Then to get it the chocolate syrup color, I just used a mixture of 2 brown paints and placed this over top of the dried hot glue. Then using some E600 glue and actual sprinkles, I just randomly placed those throughout, and then I sealed the entire thing. And I did a couple layers of clear coat spray paint. You want to make sure you do a lot of sheer thin layers, that way it's not too wet. If it's too wet, it's just going to disintegrate the cone. But this also helps to ensure a more stable, solid base or like encasement around the cone. And then using a plain black headband, I just used more hot glue to attach it. Moving on to the actual makeup, I'm first going to use my pink face and body paint and kind of just sketch out the design that I like. Then using a mixture of my bright pink, lighter pink, and white, I'm going to mix these together to get more of like a Pepto-Bismol bubblegum color pink and fill this in as my base. I will have every product that I use and mention listed down below directly to shop, as well as any discount codes available for you guys to use. So be sure to check that out for more information and specific products used. Then taking a concealer or foundation, whatever you want to use, I'm going to place this on the rest of my face just to even out the skin tone. This also helps to sharpen the edges around the pink. And then to create more contrast, like depth, I'm going to use a mix of black and brown eyeshadows to create that depth and kind of hollow out. And then using white, I'm going to place this in areas to create more of like a shine and highlight. Taking a pink eyeshadow, I'm going to use a crease brush and place this on the lid and then buff it out up into the crease. To kind of soften and brighten the inner eye, I'm also going to use a light matte beige eyeshadow with a more fluffy brush, placing that on the inner corner and brow bone. Then bringing that pink shadow down again on the lower lash line and using a bright pink eyeliner pencil on the waterline. Then I just follow that same routine on the other eye here as well. Using my eyelash glue, I'm going to use this as adhesive and place this anywhere I want to add an actual sprinkle. Just like we did on the cone, I'm just going to place this randomly throughout the design. Using my bright pink paint, I'm placing this as a base on my brow on the pink side, then filling in with my regular eyebrow pencil on the other, and again taking that same pencil over top of the pink. Now I'm going to contour my nose, and I am doing a bit more intense contour than normal, just because I really want the more animated, kind of chiseled out, tiny, scrunchy looking nose. Then adding a bubblegum pink blush, I'm going to place this on my cheekbone and a little bit on my nose. I wanted to brighten up the highlight a bit more, so I'm going to use a light pink, silver, white glitter over top those highlights. It really catches the light, just adds a bit more interest, makes it more feminine. I'm also going to use this on the inner corners of my eye, my brow bone, brow, and cupid's bow on my lip. Using my black eyeliner, this is one of my favorites. This is the Tarte Clay Paint. This is perfect for the waterline. I'm going to use this on the top waterline corner to corner, just to define those false lashes a bit more. I was really torn what color lip I wanted to do, but ultimately I ended up choosing a bubblegum pink color. Then added a more pastel, lighter shade pink over top. It's actually an eyeshadow, but it just helped to lighten and brighten to match the face detail a little bit more. Then you can add whatever wig you want. I thought this one was fun. It was just a kind of ombre pastel type wig that really pulled in the colors of the sprinkles. Honestly, it's not the best wig ever. The bangs are pretty bad, but it works. I'm gonna make it work. I loved how this turned out, especially the prop, just all of it. I think it's so fun. It's giving Katy Perry California Girls vibes. Let me know what kind of look you guys want to see me do next, so comment that down below. If you guys enjoy my Halloween videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel so you never miss a new video, and following me on the rest of my platforms for more day-to-day updates. As always, thank you guys for all your support, and I will see you guys in the next video.